Hello Wargamers, I'm Sefel and today we're gonna paint some skeletons by Kallistra. These are from the range Heroes and Hordes fantasy and are the undead infantry. They are, as you can see, skeletons armed mainly with spears, but we have some swordsmen here on the back. He has a little sword and everyone is equipped with a shield. For starters, we're gonna paint their bones with Vallejo Bone White. In this moment my camera decided that she wanted to do a trick on me, and so she didn't record a part of the video. So after the first coat of Bone White you need to make another one, because Bone White is really thin. Then after that you let it dry, and when it's dry you use Dead White to put some contrast on the bones. Since Dead White by Vallejo is a really thick paint, I suggest you thin it down with a little water. After you give them some white, the contrast that was there with the primer pops up a little bit. At this stage it kind of looks atrocious, so you gotta give them a wash. And to make the wash we're gonna use Vallejo Game Color Leather Brown in 50-50, so 50% leather brown, 50% water. After giving them a good wash, you can see that they look quite fancy. Fancy dirty boys. Now we're gonna paint their shields. For the shields I decided, since I've used red, purple and green and blue already, I want to red shields, yellow shields and purple shields. And I'm gonna use sun yellow for the yellow, bloody red for the red, and ultramarine blue mixed with bloody red for the purple. Now, using leather brown, we're gonna paint the spear shafts. After painting the spear shafts, we're gonna paint the metals, so the spear points and the swords of the skeletons. we're gonna use Vallejo gunmetal. After painting the metal, we're gonna shade the spear shafts and the shields. For the yellow shields, I'm gonna use diluted orange fire, while for the spear shafts, for the red shields, and for the purple ones, I'm gonna use an homemade wash that I made using black plus water plus a little bit of dish soap. The recipe is from Dungeon Craft. Now we're gonna paint under the feet using Goblin Green or Verde Goblin. It's not very important if you cover the terrain very well, because then we're gonna put some notch flockage to cover their feet and the base. You can also go a little bit thick here, it's not important. If you cover detail, that's not a problem, since detail isn't what we're going after. Now, after everything has dried up, we're gonna glue them to their bases. But first, we're gonna take some PVA glue, I'm using Vinavil, and we're gonna put some flock on their bases. Now, using super glue, we'll glue skeletons to their base. Now we let them rest until they're properly glued, and then using some PVA glue we're gonna put more flock on their bases. Ready to terrorize kingdoms and fight against my Rotman. Rotman painting tutorial coming soon. So that was it. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video, and if you liked it, leave a like, subscribe, share with friends, and I really recommend Kallistra miniatures. Spot on 100%. I would buy again, and I will buy again. Bye bye.